What if the very star that gives us life could also plunge our world into chaos? What if, in just a few short months, a cosmic event could erase your GPS, silence your internet, and leave entire cities in darkness? For decades, scientists have tracked a hidden rhythm in our sun, the solar cycle. And right now, we're heading into its most intense phase, the solar maximum of 2025. But this isn't just about pretty auroras. This is about a shocking secret the sun is about to unleash, a secret that could break the technological world we depend on. In the previous videos, we have explored in Part 1, the sun's shocking secret. Why 2025 could break your tech. We have exposed the accelerating solar activity and the terrifying potential for widespread tech disruption. From your smartphone to global communication, everything is at risk. Then, in Part 2, Earth's magnetic shield failing? The hidden threat to our power grids, we dived deep into our planet's invisible protector and uncover how a cosmic punch from the sun could trigger widespread blackouts, threatening the very foundation of our modern society. Today we will finally dive in Part 3, Surviving the Solar Storm, How to Protect Your GPS, Internet and Everything Else. We'll reveal what's being done to prepare, and crucially, what you can do to safeguard yourself and your loved ones against the sun's fury. This isn't a drill, this is a critical conversation about our future. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of space weather and discover how to navigate the challenges of 2025. Your world might depend on it. Welcome to the final part of our series on Space Weather 2025. In Chapter 1, we unveiled the sun's shocking secret and the accelerating solar maximum. In Chapter 2, we explored how Earth's magnetic shield can be overwhelmed, posing a hidden threat to our power grids. Now the big question, are we doomed to a techless future, or can we protect our GPS, internet, and everything else? Today we're diving into the solutions, the preparations, and the proactive measures being taken, and what you can do to navigate the heightened space weather activity of 2025 and beyond. The first step to survival is knowing what's coming. Thankfully, we're not flying blind. Organizations like NASA and the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center are our eyes and ears in space, continuously monitoring solar activity. They track sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, issuing alerts and forecasts that give us crucial lead time. This early warning system is vital, allowing industries and governments to prepare for incoming space weather events. While a truly catastrophic perfect storm, like the Carrington event, is extremely rare, preparation for more common, yet still disruptive, events is absolutely crucial. It's about continuous vigilance and rapid response. The primary targets for severe space weather are our critical infrastructures, power grids, and satellites. So, what are we doing to protect them? For power grids, the focus is on hardening transformers against geomagnetically induced currents, or GICs. This involves installing specialized devices that block or divert these harmful currents, preventing overload and damage. It also means having spare transformers readily available and strategically placed, as replacing a damaged one can take months. For satellites, engineers are designing them with more radiation-hardened components and developing software that can put them into safe mode during intense solar storms, minimizing exposure to damaging particles. The incident with SpaceX Starlink satellites in 2022 was a harsh lesson, accelerating efforts in this area. While governments and industries work on large-scale solutions, what about you? How can you protect your GPS, your internet, and your personal tech when a solar storm hits? First, understand that while your smartphone might be affected by GPS degradation or temporary communication blackouts, the biggest personal risk is a prolonged power outage. So, basic emergency preparedness is key. Remember, this isn't about fear-mongering. It's about informed preparedness. Just as we prepare for hurricanes or earthquakes, understanding space weather allows us to build resilience. The solar maximum of 2025 is a critical test for our technological resilience. But it's also an opportunity. The unexpected acceleration of solar cycle 25 underscores how much we still have to learn about our sun. Continuous scientific research, international collaboration, and proactive measures are essential. By investing in space weather research, developing more robust infrastructure, and educating the public, we can ensure that our increasingly connected world is not at the mercy of our star's most violent outbursts. The sun is a powerful, dynamic force. It gives us life, but it also demands our respect and our preparedness. By understanding its cycles and taking intelligent steps, we can not only survive the solar storms of 2025, but build a more resilient and secure technological future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the sun's secrets, Earth's magnetic shield, and the path to surviving solar storms. If you found this series insightful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that shapes our world.